In this video, I'm going to show that absolute value of sine of A minus sine of B is less than or equal to absolute value of A minus B, where A and B are real numbers and A and B are not equal to each other. I'm going to use the mean value theorem, MVT, mean value theorem, to show that. So let's define a function f of x is equal to sine of x. As you know, a sine function is continuous and differentiable on the entire number line. So we are okay to assume that it's going to be continuous and differentiable on this interval AB. Of course, it's continuous on the closed interval and differentiable in the open interval AB. So by using the mean value theorem, we could conclude the following. There exists a point C in the open interval AB such that f prime of C is going to be equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. So that's the conclusion of the mean value theorem. Now, what is my f? F is f of x is sine of x, so it's going to be sine of B minus sine of A divided by B minus A is equal to f prime of C. So if my f of x is sine of x, my f prime of x is going to be just cosine of x, right? So it's going to be f prime of C, which is going to be cosine of C, cosine of C. So remember, C is some point in this open interval AB. Now we could just switch the order. We could say sine of A minus sine of B divided by A minus B. I am multiplying the numerator and the denominator by -1, okay, times -1. That has no impact. So it's going to be equal to cosine of C. Then I could say absolute value of this must be also equal, right? Because of the equality. Now look at absolute value of cosine of C. What is the highest value it can have? Which is just 1, right? Sine and cosine functions are limited between or bounded between -1 and +1. So I could say absolute value of sine of A minus sine of B divided by absolute value of A minus B is less than equal to 1. Now, in going from here to here, I have used the property, let's say, absolute value of m over n is the same as absolute value of m divided by absolute value of n. So this property of absolute value I have used. Now, if I multiply both sides by absolute value of A minus B, I'm going to get absolute value of sine of A minus sine of B is less than equal to absolute value of A minus B. By the way, this is exactly what we were trying to show. Look here. Absolute value of sine of A minus sine of B is less than or equal to absolute value of A minus B. So we have used the mean value theorem to prove or show this inequality. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.